To allow diagonal scrolling when using magnifier from Assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, tap the Assistant menu icon. Swipe the menu screen to the left or right to find cursor or magnification. As the example, we will magnify what's on the screen with magnification. Tap magnification. Next, tap the setting icon at the bottom right of the magnifier. And then tap the gray on offset next to allow diagonal scrolling until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap close to close the setting. When the diagonal scrolling option is on, you can move the magnifier diagonally by dragging the blue frame of the magnifier diagonally like this. Or by swiping your finger diagonally on the touchpad like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.